Let's talk a little bit about the logistics and the process here. And Dan, do you want to take this?
Sure. Thanks, Sanjay, for the opportunity to speak with you and with your network. Excited about what we're going to do together to get things back to normal or normal-ish. So in the logistics and the processes, we are going to do consents at the point where we're going to be extracting the samples and a questionnaire for the test takers. The samples will then be
Dan, just to be clear, those consents and the questionnaire will be done by the school, not by Centogene or OESIS. But we will provide them with wording on those questionnaires that they would need to put in.
Correct. The samples will be collected by the schools, at the schools, and de-identified or pseudo-anonymized is the term we're using. The samples should all be collected in one place. We can talk through how that best works for each school. A nurse or an EMT is going to be extracting the swab, and the samples after extraction need to be kept in a cooler or a refrigerator between the temperatures of 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Most typical refrigerators are right around that temperature. Couriers will be arranged by our team to then pick up these samples at the location of the school and delivered to our labs. In that process, the samples will be kept in cooling packs to ensure that temperature of 36 to 46 degrees is maintained. So the turnaround time has been something that I've seen some questions come across here during the webinar. So this is typical turnaround time for labs, just like a LabCorp may send out a sample to you. And then that may take 24 hours, and then you send it back. That may take another 24 hours, and then 2 to 3 days later, the results will be available. That's the same as is the case with Centogene in this process. Results will be downloaded and provided to the schools, and those results will be tied to the de-identified number, which the school is going to maintain a record of who is actually associated with that number, what patients, or I should say what students or what faculty. And then they will provide the de-identification and provide the particular students with the results. And if there are any findings of positives, this will have to be disclosed to the CDC.